Good morning. Welcome to pre-market report on 2nd of November 2022. So let us look at the global cues. So my XGS Nifty is indicating a 50 to 60 points of gap up. So yesterday XGS Nifty made a high of 18,314 and it came down to 18,188. So and again it's closed around like 18,255. Now it is trading around 18,238. So when compared to our market yesterday it is closed around 18,145. Okay, so like by looking XGS Nifty, it may open 50 to 60 points of gap up and likely to continue this bullishness. If you see the open interest today, open interest for Nifty, can see a huge call option buying. You can see till up to 19,500 or 600. Okay, so similarly here you can see a lot of put rating. So it shows a market may move further. It may be, as we discussed in Nifty special video, it may reach 18,600. Once it is sustaining, we can expect the market may reach 19,000. But if you see Bank Nifty, it is completely behaving different. You can see in Bank Nifty, so there is a lot of call option rating as well as put option rating is there. Only they bought out of the money call options. Okay, out of the money call option. So Bank Nifty, the movement is not clear so far, but Bank Nifty should break 42,000 at least, as it is in a sentimental huge resistance. It should break 42,000 for moving still more higher values. So from like you can see, India VIX is again, as I told you, it started reducing, but still it has to like come below 15 for the proper move. So in case of like you can see the PCR will be 1.2 expected to market may move further, and if you see the charts, you can see this is a daily time frame. So after gap opening, maybe today the Nifty may break 18,404. So once the Nifty breaks 18,404 and sustaining, and you can immediately by expiry day, it may break like all-time high. So expected to move like that. Say on expiry day, it may break the all-time high. That is nothing like you can see 18,797. So, but in case of Bank Nifty, so Bank Nifty again, it's still not broken the trend line. So expected to move the trend line, that is 41,600. Actually yesterday it came, but again it fell down. It should break and it should sustain. Okay, so once it is done, as I told you, like 42,000, once the 42,000 is broken, then expected to move. So 42,500 and 43,000. So this is what the scenario. In intraday, in case of Bank Nifty, you can see there are some like intraday the market has to move like expected. Sure, it is looking bullish. So 41,000 for today case, 41,405 and 41,500. So these are the resistance level. Once the 41,500 is broken, market may move higher. In case of Nifty, you can see in Nifty has to break 18,179. Maybe as I told you in pre-market itself, it may break. So once it is broken, then 18,250, then 18,300 will be acting as a strong resistance. So hope you enjoy watching video. So we'll come up again with a new pre-market report by tomorrow, and expect the market may continue the bullish and again based upon the global cues. So okay, so thank you for watching. So if you are not subscribed our channel, do subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you will get a regular updates whenever I'm posting a new video. And free demat and trading account link is given, account opening link is given in description. You can make use of it and you can open a Demat and trading account. Okay, thank you friends, thank you for watching. We'll come up with a new video. Thank you. Have a good day.